Good morning! Welcome to another episode of Healthy Cooking. Today we are going to prepare a very healthy dish and it's famous for all Filipinos. It's called chicken embutido, okay? So we are not going to steam or we are not going to bake in an oven, but we are going to use a salad master electric skillet. Okay, so let's do it. So let's put all our ingredients together. Okay, so I'm going to put the chicken mince, the green peas. Okay, so I will now add the onions, minced onions, red bell pepper, raisins, tomato sauce, and breadcrumbs. Okay, so I'm going to scoop all this breadcrumbs. Okay, so we will add the eggs later. Okay, so now I will add. We are going to shred carrots.
Okay, so we will add grated carrots using our salad master food processor machine. Okay, so this is very easy and convenient to use. To this day, no kitchen is complete without this. Okay, so this is it. Add our grated cheese as well. Okay, so I'm now going to add grated cheese using again our food processor machine. Okay, so you can contact me if you would like to have one, because we are giving this away for free with Salad Master. Alright, so this is it. Okay, so I'm also going to add our shredded sausage. So I will add it here in our large opening. Okay. Look at that. It's so amazing, isn't it? Yes. I like my food processor machine because it is easy and convenient. It saves much of my time in kitchen preparation. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so there are still more here I'm going to add. Okay, so just like that, add all the small pieces. Okay, so I guess that's it. And we are going to combine all the ingredients. But before that, I'm going to add 3 eggs and season with pepper. Okay, so I'm now going to add our 3 eggs. And we are going to season it with oyster sauce, and pepper. Add more pepper if you want. Okay, it's an option if you would like to add some salt, but for us we are no longer using salt because we added cheddar cheese and it's kind of salty. Okay, so now let us mix the ingredients. We will combine it thoroughly. Okay, so mix like that. we are going to achieve a very healthy and famous Filipino dish, chicken embutido. Okay, so but this time we are not going to steam it. We are not going to bake in an oven. We are going to use Salad Master electric skillet. Okay, so just combine it thoroughly. Just like that. It's a very healthy dish. We added carrots. Okay, and we are not peeling off the skin of the carrots because it has all the vitamins and minerals. Okay, so yeah, alright. Okay, so just combine it all together. Okay, so I guess it is ready to add in our electric skillet. Okay, and we are going to cook it in 30 minutes. Once the vapor bulb starts clicking, then turn the heat to low, from medium to low. Alright, so this is our chicken embutido mix. Okay, so our chicken embutido mixture is ready. This time, we are not going to preheat the Salad Master electric skillet. We can use it normal, okay? So there's no need for preheating procedure. Okay, so now I'm going to add it in our electric skillet. Okay, so just like that. Pour in all the embutido mixture to the Salad Master electric skillet. Okay, so that's it. And then alright, so just flatten it. Okay. In a normal way of cooking chicken embutido, usually we are wrapping it in a foil, okay, aluminum foil, and we are steaming it, okay, or we are cooking it in an oven. But this time we are using Salad Master electric skillet without wrapping it. Okay, so look at that. As you can see, you will just flatten it like that. Okay. Okay, yes, and this is a delicious and healthy chicken embutido. Okay, so set the electric skillet into 230 degrees into 30 minutes. Okay, the timer into 30 minutes. So that's it. Welcome back, and our chicken embutido is ready to serve. Let's see how our chicken embutido, without steaming, without baking in an oven, we are just using a Salad Master electric skillet. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, here you go! Look at that! It's so healthy and delicious chicken embutido in a Salad Master. Come join us!